In this video I'm going to show you how to download the game PlateUp on your PC. So what you need to do is open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to the channel and like the video to support us. Now the next step will be searching up this game at Steam quickly, but we are not going to buy it over there, we are going to download it without overpaying at another website. So go to the Steam website, don't waste too much time over there, and then we can open the game, click on PlateUp, select the game, scroll a little bit down. There is a free demo available, but we would like to download the full game, without overpaying of course. As you can see, this game at Steam is €19.50, but don't worry, we have a little workaround. What you need to do is open the video description and click on the link where it says find game here. Then you will be redirected to this page. Now search up the same game, PlateUp, and select it. After that, sort by price lowest first, and then you will find a PC version which can be activated in our country, so make sure this text is marked green, otherwise it won't work. After that, select the game, and once you have opened the game page, you will find out that we can already download this game for just €11 compared to the Steam price of €19.50. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. Now, if you purchase this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including a activation key for Steam or a completely new legit Steam account to download this game on your PC. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys, bye bye.